Hi, I'm Jeremy Reets, and welcome to my quick tip with Reets Drying Academy. In this quick tip, I'm going to share a point from a book that I really have enjoyed, Profit First by Mike Michalowicz. You might have read that book. If you haven't, you need to get it. So the reason I like this book is because he has this great, super simple way to make sure that you get profit from your business. You do it by taking the profit first. What does that mean? Well, his simple system is that you determine how much profit your company is generating. Let's say it's 5%, 10%, 20%, 30%. It doesn't really matter. You figure that out from your books. So you come up with 20%. That's the number. Every time you make a deposit, you take 20% of the deposit and transfer it into a profit account. Now that's genius. Why? Because it's super simple. And you take that profit out of your hands, so to speak, and you're left with the 80%, which you've already determined is your operating capital. That way, you don't ever think about the profit. You don't sneak in there and get into it. You leave that alone. And then at the end of the year, boom, you got 20% of your total revenue in an account ready for you because you took profit first. That's my quick tip from Reets Drying Academy.